acid.
Yes.
Antioxidants are very important because, especially when they come in serum form, kasi pag sinabi natin na serums, they are usually packed with high concentrations of the good stuff.
Okay.
They're lightweight, perfect for Pinoy weather. They're easily absorbed into the skin. And essentially what antioxidants do is that they protect us against free radicals. So dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam, free radicals are what we see around us. So yun yung pollution, diba, yung stress, even lack of sleep. And pag pinabayaan natin na yung free radicals are attacking our skin, that's when we see advanced aging, doon tayo nakikita yung mga dark spots and everything. So, talking about the innovative ingredient that you mentioned,
Yes.
this particular serum contains gallic acid. So, this is something new. I am sure that not a lot of you have heard about this ingredient. Pero actually, matagal na to, Jazz.
Really?
Hindi lang siya nakikita in mainstream skincare.
And why is that? Why did you think Sequel chose to add that for this formulation?
Well, kasi as a brand, Sequel likes to innovate. Like, they like to look for ingredients that are proven and that fills in the gaps. Diba? Kasi minsan parang, okay naman to pero may kulang. So, with gallic acid, what it does is apart from neutralizing free radicals, it's also anti-inflammatory. And as Kat said earlier, yung dark spots, it also addresses dark spots. But what's good about this serum is apart from having gallic acid, it is combined with vitamin E. So alam naman natin lahat, vitamin E is a very, very